In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add recipients in DocuSign. We'll walk through uploading your document, adding people, choosing what each person needs to do, and setting up a clean, secure workflow so your envelope is ready for field placement. Start by opening DocuSign and selecting New, then Send an envelope. Upload your document from your computer or a cloud drive. It helps to use a clear file name so you can recognize it quickly later. Next, look for the Add Recipients section. Here, enter the name and email address for each person who will be involved. Accuracy matters because this is where DocuSign sends their notification. Right beside each recipient, choose their action from the drop-down. Needs to sign is for anyone who must place a signature or fill fields. Receives a copy is for people who just need a final copy with no action. Needs to view is for someone who must open and review the document but doesn't sign. If you're working with multiple people, click Add Recipient to include as many as you need. If the order of actions matters, check the Set Signing Order box to control who gets the document first, second, and so on. This is great when approvals or reviews must happen in sequence. If you're a signer on this envelope, type Add Me in the name field to add yourself quickly. Your account details will populate automatically. For extra security, open the action menu next to any recipient to add authentication like SMS or an access code. This adds an extra verification step before they can access the envelope. If you use an access code, share it securely outside of DocuSign. By the way, if you need the DocuSign website or the mobile app, I've placed a direct link at the top of the description so you can get set up right away. When you're ready, click next to place the signature and form fields. Each recipient is assigned a color, and the fields you place will match that color, making it clear who needs to sign or fill in what. Always check the recipient selector before placing fields to ensure you're assigning them to the right person. If you leverage templates, go to Advanced Edit to add, remove, or modify recipient roles without rebuilding from scratch. For data accuracy, consider using the Lock Recipient Name feature, so signers can't alter their names during signing. And don't worry, recipients do not need a DocuSign account to sign. They'll receive a secure email with everything they need. That's the process for adding recipients in DocuSign. Follow these tips, and you'll have a smooth, organized signing workflow every time. Thanks for watching.